My kitchen sink faucet was looking a little lonely, so I decided to drill a hole and give it a buddy. Its buddy is going to be the Waterdrop faucet, which produces the cleanest, safest drinking water on the market. The filtration system on a Waterdrop faucet is second to none. It has 2 carbon filters, a pre-sediment filter, reverse osmosis, and a UV light that kills any living organisms in your water. I love how accessible and easy to change the filters are, and there's even an indicator light on the faucet that shows you when the filters are in good shape versus when they need replacement. The Waterdrop system has no holding tank. It produces up to 800 gallons of on-demand filtered water. It just hooks into your cold water supply and your drain. You need power under the sink, and that's it. It's so easy to install. I am very impressed with this system. I would recommend it to anybody looking for reverse osmosis because this has all the bells and whistles and none of the headache. Overall, the minimalist design and Waterdrop's rigorous filtration system are why I trust it for my family. I hope you'll consider it for yours by clicking the link in my bio to shop. And do you think my other faucet's going to get jealous?